And so let me show you how you can actually get a freelancing job automated on n8n with some agents. As you can see here, when you click one of those links, it shows Digital Marketing Bangalore. And you can see all these columns. So let me take you through step by step on how to do it. First, go to n8n, then go to Schedule Trigger and have that ready. Next part is make sure you go to SERP. You can get the free API key from there. Once you sign in, this is the expression that you need to put in the URL. Once you've added this, you can see in the query part, we need to add a few things like engine, what you're looking for jobs, queues, digital marketing, jobs in remote, and English, and add the API key. Next, we go to the code node. So here you can see all the code. The reason you're having this code is so that it can segregate and separate into those columns that we can add on to Google Sheet. So for example, post date, description, company, salary, and so on. So once we have all of this ready, we connect our Google Sheet. It's simple. You just need to sign in and make sure you say yes to n8n. Once you've done that, you can just copy some of these code that is written here, pause the video, copy it, and there you have it. You'll have all of this inbuilt here. So I'll just take you through a demo. So look from row 23 and let's see what happens when we go with the demo. So we have scheduled it. It's SERP is looking at all the job searches on Google. The code is there, then it gets added to your Google Sheet. You can schedule this every single day. And here you have all the data here. So the column A will be like the remote, the B will be the link for like the job words, the keywords. And once you have that, everything here is just done. You can take it a step further by actually sending out emails from here. But so far, this is it. If you do like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you until next time. Pranav automates.